Yeah. Let's go for a walk. Anule, let's go for a walk to see whether or not you like being in the city. And I chose today because it's wet and rainy and cold.
Don't worry about it. I'm not getting involved.
Journée on my way. Lapli ka tonbé. Ika fè fouette. And I'm making this video because do realize I spend a lot of time in the urban environments and I have no opinion on my surroundings. I either like or hate the country or the city that I'm in. I'm just living my life. This video is for you and for the people who never traveled or lived in America, especially for my island people who have never traveled, especially my relatives. It's curious to see how it is on a rainy, wet day. Don't forget, from November to June, it's cold and wet and snowy. Snowy up in the northeast, so be very aware of where you choose to move to. If you like the cold weather, then that's for you. From New York City to New Jersey to Connecticut, that's how it is up here between November to June. So be very aware of the type of weather or environment that you like. By now, I've gotten used to it. And honestly, it's building a new building up there. Let's see. Brand new building. And look at the Guess they're gonna build another one over here. Turn around. As you can see, that's city being revitalized. Mwen ka mache pou zot. Se moun la ki pa jeme west kite se zil la, pa sa voyaje, pa ni papye, epi se bite sa. Pa ni papye, se kon sa. La mwen wik ka gade an jou ki normal. Mod novembre, non octobre, bout octobre, dernier jour bout octobre. Bout octobre. C'est comme ça. Octobre pour jeunes. C'est comme ça. Octobre pour jeunes, c'est les. Octobre pour jeunes, ça c'est comment temps y c'est lapli, c'est fouidi, c'est petit mètre soleil, mais il toujours qu'à faire fouette. Ça c'est pour mode octobre. Pourquoi c'est novembre pour jeunes? Jeunes c'est là qui venu chaud, qui fait chaud. Quand même qui venu jeune. June. Sa vidéo ça mon ka fait c'est pour moun qui moun même qui passe à moun qui passe à voyager et puis me pas ni pièce opinion à sous ville dans mon dedans. C'est une vieille ville mais pas ni pièce opinion. Je ne pas haï, non, ou bien je pas aimé aussi. Mais neutral. So let's walk. African and Caribbean. This block has a lot of African and Caribbean stores on it. I don't come here too often, but it's part of the city. When I do feel like having a
Yo, listen to this. See out, man.
Well, I don't come on that particular street often, but I do come on that street often. So I do spend a lot of time in the urban areas because that's where I work. I need a hit or like. All right, my man. This is one of my favorite stores in here. I do plan on shopping soon. Getting myself some nice clothes. Nice clothes down here. Look at this. Nice tailor-made suits. Yeah, I'm a big shoe. I buy a lot of shoes too, so I'll be doing that sometimes soon. Stacy Adams. Moi me gen soulier, moi me habillé bien. All right. So this is a typical day for you. I love the urban environments. I love the city and everything. So much life in there, as I said. Look at all this shit. Oh snap! They got these right here. I'm gonna have to come back in here and buy one of these. The Clarks. You need Clarks là. Moi aime ça en l'eau. Vous connaissez pour vivre pour gagner un dia. Pour quand même. C'est beau vite mon vini là. Yeah, it's a good thing I came over here. Clarks. Man, I've been coming here for years, and well, on this side right here, but I am. Shit is good. Moi, mais ça, ok, vu là, mais c'est la money launcher. So let's walk. Yeah, I'm just making this video because, sometimes people don't see the real America. Like, it's not an expose, it's just, how America is. And people live normal lives here. Let's cut across the street here. Since I'm an amateur video YouTube person, on my first few videos, I'm just trying to make you see. Most people film on a nice, bright, sunny day, but not me. I should have crossed over there. Yeah, I think some of you may like this. I don't mind it. It gets really busy over here during the summertime. Non, on ne pas qu'à marcher là. Qu'à marcher droit. Non, on qu'à marcher droite.
And they know this is the third time they send it.
And I'm heading into what I call a hole in the wall. This is where I ship all my stuff to the islands. And this thing right here, if you got like a box or barrel to ship down, I do it right here in this fast signs right here. Nice people in here, black owned business. Bon, so I'm going over there in this fish market to get me some fish and chips. This is what I call a hole in the wall. All right.
I want the scallop grilled with the dough. Okay. Yeah. Oh. I didn't even look over there. Does he have the whiting and scallop?
Whiting escalope. No one want escalope. I don't know escalope.
Yeah, whiting and scallop.
Okay. Whiting escalope. Yes.
Okay, I want the same thing, but, can I take my whiting? One piece of catfish? No? Just give me two.
White escalope.
Yeah.
So you order the white escalope.
So,
Can I have the tilapia, the French fries?
Okay. Una de papas también.
do that come?
All right. Let's go check out the food over here. Usually they got I bet you could recognize this and that, and then some Dettol tonic. All right, I'll be back.